Oh my goodness, y'all. I can't believe what just happened.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you.
Royals. Y'all, I bought a car. And her name is Black Beauty. I absolutely love her. Yesterday, my dad was like, Nikki, I found this car. It's perfect for you. And see, one of my goals this year was to buy a car. But I was planning at the end of the year. But y'all, the deal was good. The car is wonderful. So I had to jump on it while I could. And y'all know, honey, Daddy, when he finds something, it's good. Do y'all hear me? It's good. And I'm just so ecstatic. So I can mark that off my list. I keep telling y'all, whatever y'all want, whatever your goals are, you can make it happen. Y'all, it's just April. 2024 is the year. Do y'all hear me when I say it's the year? So Royals, we gonna be rolling in. I call her Black Beauty, honey. This is the Black Beauty Barbie car. Okay. But anyway, y'all, I don't feel like going in the store today. I don't. Y'all, I really did some traveling yesterday in order to get this car. Y'all, from basically, y'all know I live on the border of Charlotte, basically the border of North Carolina, South Carolina, near Charlotte. So anyway, so from that point all the way to Columbia, South Carolina, had to go to the credit union, cut me my check, run me my money, and then back to like my hometown. Y'all, is it was a day. So I really just want to chill. I really just want to chill. I'm just tired, like it's gonna rain, but I need to run in the store and grab a few things, and we'll be on our way. So, y'all, I am back from the store, and we're going to talk about how to exit your lazy girl era. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all know I gotta have that water. It's something about the water. Mm. It is definitely a must. But number one, I want you guys to decide when you're going to wake up in the morning and how to have a productive day. Start planning your day. Plan it out. If you are just like a fish just flopping around in water, girl, we got to change that. You no longer can be a fish flopping around. You are a royal. Let me say that again. You are a royal queen with a plan and a mission. Everybody has goals that they have set for 2024. And if you have fallen off track, girl, I understand. I have been in the funk myself. But you got to pick yourself back up and dust yourself off and start again. So plan your plan, stick to your plan, have a productive day. This is how goals are accomplished when we are productive. Um, when you're productive, it helps your mental clarity. We want to have clarity at all times. Whatever the situation, whatever the matter is, we need clarity in our life. When you wake up, Thank God. Thank God for another day. You have another day to reset, to start over. Thank Him. Spend some time with Him. That's important. Read your word, talk to God, pray to God, spend time with Him, and show Him gratitude. Thank Him for everything that He has done in your life. Even when it looks like the chips are down, baby, He's setting you up for a comeback, for a win. But you have to keep moving forward. You have to keep putting one foot in front of the other, moving forward in order to accomplish whatever it is that your heart desires. We all have a purpose in this thing that we call life. We all have purpose. You are an important royal individual. I'm going to keep saying that. Y'all know y'all my royal babies. But we are of a royal priesthood. So, honey, keep pressing. Because God got you. But you got to believe that. And, you know, you keep saying, well, I just keep getting knocked down. Baby, get up. When you stay down, you can't see what God got for you. That's why you got to keep pressing forward. You have to be productive. You have to stay busy. You have to, and when I say busy, I don't mean on social media, TikToking and this, that, and the other. I mean working for what you want. Let's see. So whatever goals you have, work towards it every day. Learn, and this is so important. Yeah, learn how to treat yourself well. Treat yourself good. When you treat you good, guess what? Other people cannot walk on you. They can't walk all over you. They can't mistreat you because you know how to treat you good. You love yourself. Treat yourself with integrity. Love yourself with the utmost respect. Honey, take yourself out on a date. Take yourself out of town. Give yourself some flowers. Come on, somebody. Treat yourself good. Put money aside for you because you need that. You need to know, hey, I'm important. If don't nobody else love me, I love me. Okay? I love me. I know that I'm somebody and I know whose I belong to. I know whose I am. Do y'all get what I'm saying? Some of y'all ain't gonna get that. The others, y'all gonna get that. So treat yourself well. Date yourself, honey. You can have fun by yourself. Treat yourself good. Guess what? Can't nobody mistreat you. And that's what you want in your life. You don't want nobody mistreating you. And then learn how to reset. And I know we watch all these videos, Reset Sunday, everything is aesthetically pleasing, this, that, and the other. But the reset I'm talking about is get your notebook, get your pen. Y'all know I'm old fashioned. Get that notebook, get that pen out. Write everything you need to do for the week. And when you accomplish something, check it off. When you write it down, make it plain, you have a plan. You have a clear vision in front of you. And guess what? When you can see it, you can check it off. Guess what's going to get done? Your plan. Your plan. I'm not going to make this video long, y'all. I'm sorry for my sinuses are draining really bad. I don't know. When I went to Colombia yesterday, I don't know what was in the air in Colombia, but honey, that thing got on me. Do y'all hear me? It got on me and I'm going to need it to get off of it. But I made this dish. Real simple. Cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, garlic, herb, feta. I put my little seasonings in there. You know, everybody's different with their little seasonings. I put my own little seasoning. And I use classic oil and vinegar. This right here. I seasoned some chicken, put it on the George Foreman, cut it up. Girl, it was, ooh, and put it in that. Let it all marinate together. Girl. When I say bumping, bumping, and when you see me leave from this, I'm gonna show a video of that. Y'all, when I say it is so good. Ooh. Had my sister call me. She said, "What you doing?" I told her what I was making, honey. It was delish. It was delicious. Do y'all hear me when I say delicious? But I love using that dry Italian seasoning. Y'all, it's bumping. It's the winter. And this right here, the Newman's Classic Oil and Vinegar. Mix it all up. Baby. Cheers to a delicious, healthy meal. And I told y'all, I ain't gatekeeping. I'm going to share. When I do something, I'm going to share with y'all. So, at the end of the video, you will see that. I will be back. I will be back. More recipes and more on exiting your lazy girl era. If you're still watching, baby, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. And come on and join the royal family. We would love to have you. I would love to have you be a part of our community. But y'all know pre-K is calling me. It's saying, you better go take your shower. You better go take the little makeup off, put them clothes on, and get ready for tomorrow, because the bouncing kids, they coming ready. They done been home all weekend. Y'all, I gotta reset them, retrain them. But y'all know I love you. And until next time, I'm Lovely Nikki J. Toodles, and I'm out.